Now she can do it with the fingers. She likes it better with the sticks.
Yeah, that's how Amy plays, right? With the sticks. Do you want any help, Glenn?
No, I'm good. Would you like a glass of wine? Like some Merlot?
Yeah, I'll have
Yeah, I'll have one.
Yeah, you're playing your drum?
Is that all you drink, is Merlot?
No, I drink Pinot Grigio.
Oh, there she goes. She's doing the Mowgli.
Oh.
I'm not a wine drinker.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty soon you're going to stand up. Pretty soon.
She's gonna love that. Just
High handle in it.
Brian, didn't that have a high handle on it?
It's in the back.
Oh, the back?
The release button in the middle. Underneath.
oh, I got it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she sees you playing with that. Look at her.
Yeah, she's coming right over. Yeah. Can't get it
Maybe
out.
it sets in the middle. There it goes.
Okay.
Oh, you can push
Wanna
that.
try it? Come on. Come on, try it. You can try it. Push like this. Push like this. Okay? Try it? Come on. Here you go.
But then you got to take the stick out of her.
Yeah.
She won't.
Put the stick down. Put the stick down and watch. Yeah. Stand here. Stand here like this now. Hold on here. Hold on.
Stand up.
Here, hon. Hold on here. Up there.
That's a girl.
Here, hold on here now. Wait. Hold on here. Here. Hold on here. That's it. Yeah.
No, she's afraid. She's afraid.
Oh, okay. Pop, I'll hold you. Come on. Come on. I'll hold you. Come on. Okay. Good girl.
Bye-bye.
Good girl.
Merry Christmas.